Let's go ahead and review this problem. So we know from our last question that the best way to solve this system is going to be through graphing because I have whole number intercepts and my slopes are relatively small. So I'm going to go ahead and start by graphing the first equation, and we can see it's in slope-intercept form and the y-intercept is positive 6. So I'm going to start by putting a coordinate or a dot on positive 6. And then from there, I'm going to use the slope to help me build my line. So my slope is a positive 2, which means I know my line is increasing, and it's 2 over 1. Since I have no denominator, I'll put it over 1. That means I go up 2, right 1. I'm at the end of the graph, so I can go back to my starting point and repeat that, but going the opposite direction. So I could go down 2, left 1. And I'm going to continue doing that until I run off the grid. Down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1. So if I use my handy little ruler here, I can get my line on my paper. Whoops. Something like that. So I've got my first line. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my second line. So again, it's in slope-intercept form. I see that my y-intercept is -3, so that's where I'm going to start by putting a dot. And then I'm going to follow my slope, which is a positive slope again, so I know that it's increasing, but this time it's up 1, right 2. So I'll run this pattern in both directions. So starting at -3, up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2. If I go back to the y-intercept, do the opposite pattern, down 1, left 2, down 1, left, 2, down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2. And we can already see where these lines are going to intersect before I even draw it, but let's get it on there just to make it that much more obvious. And here we can easily see that the solution to our system is going to be -6, -6.